Well, you did it. You made hopefully the right choice in enrolling in this class. And from the bottom of my heart, I thank you, and I hope that I can help you learn how to build your own WordPress websites. If you follow the next lessons, you are going to dive right into building a website. First, we're going to deal with hosting or getting started for free if you don't want to pay for hosting. This can be one of the most confusing things about starting a WordPress website. But I promise once you get this taken care of, everything's going to seem a little bit easier. If you have any issues with it, please let me know. I created video tutorials to walk you through how to get started for free and also how to get started with hosting. I'm using Bluehost. It's going to be very similar if you're using a different host, but if you are using a different host and you're stuck somewhere, just let me know. By the end of this first section, you'll have a WordPress website up and running. You'll know how to navigate WordPress. You'll know how to install a theme so that your website looks and feels like you want. And you're even going to set up your home page. Following this first section, we continue learning exactly how I imagine you would want to learn as you work through building your own website. So I don't go through every single button or menu item in order. What I do is try to think of how would you go about building your own website for the first time and walk you through each of those steps. So there's a lot happening in section 2 that will get you used to using WordPress. And then in section 3, we jump to learning how to use the different plugins. There are thousands of plugins out there. They do all kinds of different things. And these are the things that really make you able to build a WordPress website that does exactly what you want. If you need a photo gallery, there's a plugin for that. If you want a different type of commenting system, there's a plugin for that. If you want a membership site, there's a plugin for that. And we're going to walk through all kinds of these situations. By the end of the plugins section, you should have a pretty good grasp on designing and building your website. But I've included more content to go over some more specific advanced techniques. And then afterwards, at the end of this course, there's a couple sections where we walk through an entire build of a new website. So we install a theme from scratch and we work with that theme to make it look amazing. As I always say in my courses, I know they're not going to be perfect, especially when I launch them. But after I launch a course, I listen to students like you and I try to update the course based off of your feedback. So if you have any issues, if there's anything that I didn't cover or something that's still a little confusing, just let me know. I'd be happy to explain further in the course. I'm excited. Are you excited? Because you should be, because you're on your way to creating your very first WordPress website. Let's get started.